9 biggest bird eggs in the world. Elephant bird. Elephant bird became extinct around 1000 years ago. To date, they hold the record as the largest bird to have ever lived. Elephant bird eggs are larger than most dinosaur eggs. Dimensions of elephant egg: weigh over 10 kilograms, long 30 centimeters. North Island brown kiwi. Dimensions of North Island brown kiwi egg: weigh between 300 and 380 grams, long around 13 centimeters, wide 78 centimeters. Newt swans. Dimensions of newt swan egg: weigh 320 grams, long 11.6 centimeters, wide 7.4 centimeters, color white and chalky. Trumpeter swans. Dimensions of trumpeter swan egg: weigh 320 grams, long 11.3 centimeters, wide 7.3 centimeters, color creamy to dull white. Emperor penguin. Dimensions of emperor penguin egg: weigh approx 460 to 520 grams, length around 12 centimeters, wide 8 centimeters, color pear-shaped and have a greenish tinge. Greater rhea. Dimensions of greater rhea egg: weigh approx 600 grams, length 13 centimeters, 5.1 inches, wide 9 centimeters, 3.5 inches, color creamy white with thick shells. Emu bird. Dimensions of emu egg: weigh between 450 and 650 grams, long 13 centimeters, wide 9 centimeters, color striking dark green, emerald, or teal color. Cassowaries. Dimensions of cassowary egg: weigh approx 650 grams, length around 14 centimeters, wide 9 centimeters, color deep, strongly pigmented green color. Ostrich. Dimensions of ostrich egg: weigh up to 2 kilograms, length 15 centimeters, diameter 12.5 centimeters, color creamy white, the shell is around 3.5 millimeters thick.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.